Hey cyclists! Want to upgrade your ride with gadgets that actually make your life easier, safer, and more fun? I've found 30 of the smartest bike gadgets on Amazon you probably didn't know you needed. Perfect for saving time, solving common problems, and boosting your comfort, all without breaking the bank. Stick around, because the final gadget is a total game changer you'll love. Number 1. Bike phone. Mount with 360 degrees rotation. Ever struggled to find the perfect spot for your phone while riding? Meet the bike phone mount with 360 degrees rotation. This gadget securely holds your phone on your handlebars, allowing you to access maps, music, or fitness apps without fuss. Its 360-degree rotation means you can switch from portrait to landscape mode effortlessly, making navigation a breeze. Plus, it fits most phone sizes and handles rough terrain thanks to its durable grip. Whether you're commuting or exploring, this mount keeps your device accessible and safe. It's a game changer for hands-free riding and staying connected on the go, because a smoother ride starts with a secure phone spot. Number 2. Bike helmet headlight and taillight. Combo night riding just got safer with the bike helmet headlight and taillight combo. This all-in-one lighting system attaches directly to your helmet, illuminating your path and making you visible from all angles. It's rechargeable, so you won't need batteries, and features multiple brightness modes for different conditions. The key benefit? You stay safe and seen without bulky lights dangling from your bike. Plus, it's compact and easy to clip on, so you don't have to worry about forgetting your lights or swapping them between bikes. This combo boosts your confidence during night rides, because feeling safe shouldn't be a hassle. Number 3. Compact bike pump with digital pressure gauge. Ever had a flat or struggled to get your tire just right? The compact bike pump with digital pressure gauge is your new best friend. This portable pump inflates tires quickly and accurately, thanks to its built-in digital display. Say goodbye to guesswork. Know exactly when your tires are at the optimal pressure for a smooth, efficient ride. It's lightweight, but powerful enough to handle both road and mountain bike tires. Whether you're on a long trek or fixing a flat on the trail, this gadget saves you time and frustration. It's like having a professional pump in your pocket, because staying on the road should be effortless. Number 4. MultiTool bike repair kit with tire levers. Nothing kills a ride like a sudden mechanical issue. That's where the MultiTool bike repair kit with tire levers comes in. Compact and versatile, this kit includes all the essential tools, Allen wrenches, screwdrivers, and a chain tool, so you can handle most repairs on the spot. The included tire levers make removing and installing tires simple, even in a pinch. It's perfect for emergencies or routine maintenance, saving you from waiting around for roadside assistance. The best part? Everything fits into a small case that easily attaches to your bike or fits in your pocket. It's peace of mind on every ride, because fixing a flat shouldn't ruin your day. Number 5. Bike handlebar. Bag with waterproof design. Need a safe spot for your snacks, phone, or keys? The bike handlebar bag with waterproof design has you covered. It attaches securely to your handlebars, giving you quick access to your essentials while riding. Its waterproof feature means your gear stays dry during unexpected rain or splashes, perfect for all weather adventures. The bag is spacious enough for a wallet, phone, or small tools, yet compact enough not to interfere with your riding. Plus, the reflective accents increase visibility in low light conditions. This bag makes every ride more convenient and comfortable, turning your bike into a mobile storage unit, because your gear should be as ready as you are. Number 6. Smart bike lock with keyless entry. Say goodbye to fumbling for keys. Meet the smart bike lock with keyless entry. This high-tech lock uses Bluetooth or a PIN code for secure, keyless access. It connects to your smartphone via an app, letting you unlock it instantly with a tap. Its sturdy construction deters thieves, giving you peace of mind whether you're commuting or leaving your bike overnight. Plus, some models offer GPS tracking, so you can locate your bike if it gets stolen. This gadget combines security with convenience, saving you time and hassle. It's perfect for busy riders who want peace of mind in today's fast-paced world, because your bike deserves smart protection. Number 7. LED wheel lights for night visibility. Transform your bike into a light show with LED wheel lights. These fun, colorful lights attach to your rims, creating eye-catching effects as your wheels spin. But they're not just for looks. They significantly boost your visibility at night, making you more noticeable to drivers and pedestrians. Easy to install and rechargeable, they sync with your riding speed for smooth, vibrant displays. Whether you want safety or style, these lights turn every ride into a party. Plus, they're perfect for group rides or festivals. Brighten up your night rides and make a statement, because safety should be bright and fun. Number 8. Bike mirror with wide-angle view. Ever wish you had eyes in the back of your head? The bike mirror with wide-angle view gives you a clear, unobstructed look at what's behind you. Mount it easily on your handlebars or helmet and enjoy a broad field of vision. This mirror helps you stay aware of cars approaching or cyclists in your blind spot. Its wide-angle lens ensures you don't miss a thing, increasing safety during busy commutes or group ride. Plus, it's adjustable, so you can set it just right. Riding confidently and safely is easier than ever with this simple but essential gadget, because knowing what's behind you is half the battle. Number 9. Portable bike repair stand. Fixing a bike on the go has never been easier with the portable bike repair stand. This lightweight yet sturdy stand clamps onto your bike, elevating it so you can work comfortably. It's perfect for quick adjustments, cleaning, or repairs during long rides. Its foldable design means you can pack it into your backpack or trunk, making roadside repairs hassle-free. Save time and avoid the inconvenience of balancing your bike against a tree or car. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a daily commuter, this stand helps you keep your bike in tip-top shape, because a well-maintained bike is a happy bike. Number 10. Bike chain cleaner and lubrication kit. No more messy, ineffective chain cleaning with this bike chain cleaner and lubrication kit. It's designed to cut through dirt and grime quickly, restoring your chain's smooth operation. The kit includes brushes, degreasers, and a premium lubricant, all in one package. Regular cleaning extends your chain's lifespan and improves your riding efficiency. Plus, a well-lubricated chain reduces noise and prevents rust, saving you money in the long run. It's perfect for cyclists who want to maintain peak performance without the hassle. Keep your bike running smoothly, because a clean chain is a happy chain. Number 11. Bike GPS tracker with app connectivity. Worried about your bike's security? The bike GPS tracker with app connectivity is your answer. It discreetly attaches to your bike and syncs with your smartphone, allowing real-time location updates. If someone tries to steal your ride, you'll be alerted immediately, and you can track its movement via the app. Some models even offer route history, so you can analyze your rides afterward. This gadget gives peace of mind, especially in busy areas or shared spaces. Protect your investment and ride confidently, because your bike deserves smart security that works as hard as you do. Number 12. Waterproof bike lights, front and back. Make yourself visible in any weather with waterproof bike lights, front and back. These rechargeable lights are bright, durable, and weatherproof, ensuring you stay safe whether it's rain or shine. Easy to mount on your handlebars and seat post, they feature multiple brightness modes to suit your riding environment. The waterproof design means no worries about splashes or rain, making them reliable for daily commutes or long adventures. Brighten your path and increase your visibility, because safety shouldn't be compromised by the weather. Number 13. Rechargeable handheld bike fan. Long summer rides can get sweaty, but the rechargeable handheld bike fan keeps you cool and comfortable. Compact and lightweight, it clips onto your handlebars or fits in your bag. Its rechargeable battery ensures hours of cooling breeze, and multiple speed settings let you customize your comfort. Perfect for hot days, it helps prevent overheating and keeps you alert and refreshed. Whether you're tackling hilly terrains or just commuting, this gadget adds a touch of coolness to your ride, because feeling comfortable makes every mile more enjoyable. Number 14. Bike bell with adjustable sound levels. Clear communication on the road is crucial, and the bike bell with adjustable sound levels has you covered. This sleek bell features an easy-to-use mechanism and customizable volume, so you can alert pedestrians and fellow cyclists without startling anyone. Its stylish design complements your bike, and the adjustable sound ensures you're heard in crowded areas. Plus, it's durable and weather-resistant, perfect for all seasons. A simple upgrade that makes your ride safer and more polite, because good manners and safety go hand in hand on two wheels. Number 15. Smart Bike Speed and Cadence. Sensor want detailed insights into your ride? The Smart Bike Speed and Cadence sensor tracks your speed and pedaling cadence, syncing seamlessly with your favorite cycling apps. It attaches easily to your crank or wheel, providing real-time data to improve your training and riding efficiency. Whether you're a casual rider or a serious athlete, knowing your pace and cadence helps optimize performance and prevent overexertion. It's a small gadget with a big impact, because understanding your ride makes every journey better. Number 16. Reflective stickers for enhanced night safety. Sometimes, small details make the biggest difference. Reflective stickers for your bike and gear enhance nighttime visibility without adding bulk. Easy to apply, they reflect headlights and streetlights, making you more noticeable to drivers. Use them on wheels, frame, or clothing for maximum impact. They're affordable, simple, and effective. Perfect for commuters or weekend explorers who want extra safety without changing their style. Ride confidently, knowing that you're shining bright in the dark, because safety is a sticker away. Number 17. Bike Chain. Lock with integrated alarm. Security meets innovation with the Bike Chain Lock with integrated alarm. This sturdy lock wraps around your bike and features a built-in alarm system that sounds if tampered with. It deters thieves with its loud warning, giving you extra peace of mind. Easy to lock and unlock via Bluetooth or keypad, it combines safety with convenience. Whether parked overnight or at a busy trailhead, this gadget keeps your bike secure and alerts you instantly if someone tries to mess with it. Protect your ride with a lock that's as smart as you are. Number 18. Foldable bike helmet with ventilation. Comfort and safety come together with the foldable bike helmet with ventilation. Designed for easy storage and portability, this helmet folds down, fitting into your bag when not in use. Its multiple vents keep your head cool, even during intense rides. It's lightweight yet sturdy, meeting safety standards for protection. Perfect for commuters or travelers, it saves space without sacrificing safety. Plus, its sleek design boosts your style on every ride. A foldable helmet that's as practical as it is protective, because smart, safe cycling should be effortless. Number 19. Bike Fender. Set for mud and splash protection. Keep yourself clean with the Bike Fender set that shields you from mud, water, and splash. Easy to install on most bikes, these fenders prevent dirt from flying up onto you during wet rides. They're made from durable, weather-resistant material and are adjustable for a perfect fit. Whether you're commuting in the rain or mountain biking on muddy trails, these fenders keep you dry and comfortable. Plus, they help protect your bike from corrosion. Ride mud-free and comfortable, because no one likes a splashed-up ride. Number 20. Bike Toolkit with Compact Storage Case. Every cyclist needs a reliable toolkit, and this bike toolkit with compact storage case delivers just that. It contains essential tools like Allen wrenches, screwdrivers, and chain tool, all neatly organized in a durable case. It's lightweight enough to carry on every ride, so you're prepared for repairs or adjustments wherever you are. Whether fixing a flat or making quick tweaks, this kit saves you time and stress. Keep your bike in top shape without carrying bulky tools. It's an essential for every rider, because preparedness makes every ride more enjoyable. Number 21. Bike Saddle with Shock Absorption Technology. Long rides can be uncomfortable, but the bike saddle with shock absorption technology changes the game. This saddle features advanced padding and built-in shock absorbers to reduce pressure on your sit bones and absorb road vibrations. It's designed to deliver maximum comfort, whether you're hitting smooth trails or bounding over rough city streets. The ergonomic shape supports proper posture, helping prevent fatigue and soreness. It's a must-have for those who love long-distance riding or want to enjoy every ride without discomfort, because a comfortable saddle means more miles and more smiles on your journey. Number 22. Bike Frame Bag with Easy Access Pockets. Storing your essentials within easy reach is a breeze with the Bike Frame Bag featuring multiple accessible pockets. It mounts securely onto your bike's frame, giving you quick access to snacks, tools, or your phone. Its waterproof design protects your gear from rain and splashes, while the compact size keeps your center of gravity balanced. Perfect for daily commutes or weekend adventures, this bag keeps your valuables safe and organized. No more fumbling in your backpack or panniers. Just grab what you need and keep riding. It's convenience you can count on every ride. Number 23. Smart Bike Computer with Heart Rate Monitor. Want to track your fitness in real time? The Smart Bike Computer with Heart Rate Monitor is your personal coach. It displays speed, distance, calories burned, and even your heart rate, all wirelessly synced to your smartphone via an app. Its sleek design attaches easily to your handlebars, giving you instant feedback on your performance. Whether you're training for a race or just aiming to stay active, this gadget helps you reach your goals smarter and safer. It's like having a coach in your pocket, because understanding your effort makes every ride more rewarding. Number 24. Reflective Vest with LED Safety Lights. Visibility is key, especially during dawn, dusk, or night rides. The reflective vest with LED safety lights is designed to keep you safe and seen. Crafted with reflective materials and integrated LED lights, it enhances your visibility from all angles. It's lightweight, breathable, and adjustable for a perfect fit. The LEDs can be set to steady or flashing modes, making sure you stand out in traffic or on dark paths. Perfect for commuters or serious riders wanting maximum safety, this vest makes sure you're not just riding, you're shining bright, because safety is about being seen. Number 25. Portable mini bike pump with CO2 cartridges. Quick fixes are essential, especially when you're miles from home. The portable mini bike pump with CO2 cartridges combines the best of both worlds: a compact hand pump for slow, precise inflation, and quick-acting CO2 cartridges for rapid fixes. It's lightweight enough to carry in your jersey pocket or saddlebag. When you're in a pinch, simply attach a CO2 cartridge for instant inflation, saving precious time and effort. This dual-function gadget is perfect for mountain bikers, commuters, or anyone who hates waiting for tires to fill, because staying on the trail shouldn't mean waiting around. Number 26. Multicolor Rechargeable Bike Wheel Lights. Express your style with multicolor rechargeable bike wheel lights. These vibrant, colorful lights attach easily to your rims and create dazzling displays as your wheels spin. With multiple color options and flashing modes, you can customize your ride's look for safety and style. Rechargeable via USB, they're eco-friendly and cost-effective. Not only do they make your bike more visible at night, but they also turn your ride into a moving light show. Perfect for group rides, festivals, or just jazzing up your daily commute. Because your bike should reflect your personality, and safety should be fun. Number 27. Adjustable Bike Torque Wrench. Portable precision matters when maintaining your bike, and the Adjustable Bike Torque Wrench Portable makes it easy. This tool ensures you tighten bolts to the correct specifications, preventing damage or loose components. Its adjustable design fits various bolt sizes, and its portable build means you can carry it on every ride or maintenance session. Whether you're replacing a chain or adjusting your handlebars, this wrench guarantees safe, accurate tightening. It's a must-have for DIY bike enthusiasts or serious cyclists who want to keep their ride in perfect shape, because the right torque puts safety and performance first. Number 28. MultiUse Waterproof Bike Phone Pouch. Keep your phone safe from rain, splashes, and mud with the MultiUse Waterproof Bike Phone Pouch. This versatile pouch attaches securely to your handlebars, providing a clear touchscreen window for easy operation. Its waterproof seal keeps your device dry, even during sudden downpours. Plus, it features multiple compartments for cards, cash, or small essentials. Whether you're navigating, listening to music, or tracking your stats, this pouch makes it simple and safe, perfect for daily commuters and adventure seekers alike, because your phone should be protected without sacrificing accessibility. Number 29. Ergonomic Rubber Grips for Bike Handlebar. Say goodbye to hand fatigue with ergonomic rubber grips. These grips feature a soft yet firm rubber surface with ergonomic contours that fit your hands naturally. They absorb shocks and vibrations from rough terrain, reducing strain and discomfort during long rides. Easy to install, they instantly upgrade your bike's comfort and control. Whether you're on a city ride or mountain trail, these grips help you maintain a secure and comfortable hold, because a better grip means better control and more enjoyable rides for everyone. Comfort starts right at your hands. Number 30. Bike Kickstand with Adjustable Height. Parking your bike just got easier with the Bike Kickstand with Adjustable Height. This sturdy stand installs effortlessly and can be adjusted to fit different bike frames and terrains. Its adjustable height ensures your bike stays upright on uneven surfaces, preventing falls or leaning against walls. Made from durable materials, it supports the weight of most bikes, mountain, hybrid, or cruiser. Whether you're stopping for a quick break or parking during a ride, this kickstand keeps your bike stable and ready to go, because every ride should end with your bike standing tall and proud. Thanks for riding along. If these gadgets got you excited to upgrade your bike, hit subscribe and stay tuned. Trust me, the last one is a must-have. Happy cycling, and see you in the next video.